Bitch gon' be a hoe. I'm deep up in the forest, smoking on a Novocaine. I'm high up in the closet, hear the God say my name. Just one hit from this blunt can take me out this pain. You know me, bros can never change, but when the money came, the family and all the hoes, they won't remain the same.
Yeah, let's go stop by the gas station first. Beautiful day out here in SoCal. We got our first rain in yesterday, so pretty amped up. Waking up pretty late, not gonna lie, as per usual, but should be pretty sick. Whoa! We'll see, boys. Should be a good day.
Everybody tryna be like me, tryna take my juice, tryna take my steez. Everywhere I go, I'ma stay in my juice and beach. Everybody tryna be just like me. Chop on my side and I might let it see. Whoa, that's my queen. Bullet hit you down with a little hit. Bullet hit you down with a little hit. You my baby girl, but you're not my squeeze. Tips with a stick and I might just squeeze.
Oh, I see like a big old lip over there.
Yeah, see that one right there?
Yeah.
Land right on that, where the bushes are.
What? That thing looks sick.
Fucking fat. And then right on the side of the other hill, there's two like little doubles. But
Alright. Looks like someone's been riding up right there. Oh, it's open.
oh, it's open?
Yeah.
There.
Let's fucking go, dude.
Shots to the back, give me 5. Gotta get it work, so I'm pulling it body. Pull up in a phone, I ain't talking about your body. Pull up in a boat, I be eating good, I be eating color body. I'ma break a bone, I'll be fucking Jeff Hardy. 2 wheels, 1 seat, water up the hood. She knows what I need, riding around the top. Fucking everything up until I can see. Like this, like that.
Chill.
Tryna be like me.
Dude, this is so sick, man. This is such a good day.
You gotta come out here and build, dude. That dirt is like chocolate cake.
Dude, that's what I'm saying.
Dude,
like,
you gotta like go up, down, and come back down. You can feel it.
bro,
It's so good.
I was just thinking in my head, like looking at all this shit, like we need to be building.
It's oh my god, dude, it's like cake, man. I'll show him the hill climb. You guys can sit up top, and we're gonna fucking do this fucking like dirt.
We're gonna center deep. Man, this is so sick. The freaking dude. Finally got some good dirt. Oh. Yo. Hell yeah.
Dude, check out oh my god, check out my boot, dude.
New boot goofing, baby.
What's underneath that shit?
I don't fucking know. I should have brought some super glue with me.
These things are
Damn.
done for, bro.
Oh shit.
Holy shit.
We need some duct tape. Fuck.
What's underneath it? Check it out.
Let me see. Oh, it's actually chill. It's chill. It's like the bottom of a shoe. It's almost like the bottom of like a leather boot.
What the fuck? I knew these things were gonna go. These boots are so done.
Center deep. New boot goofing, baby. What is this rubbish? Oh, I think of that. Oh! Almost flew off. Look at this, like a little mountain bike trail or something. Am I brake squeaking? Sometimes I can really be fucked up. Ain't nothing much to say. Sometimes I can really be.
Sometimes I can really be fucked up. Ain't nothing much to say, but hey, goodbye. Everybody wanna tell the truth, but lie. I can see these niggas right through my eyes. Bitch, I'm reckless, I'm ruthless, very much stupid. All about this money, niggas hit my phone, who this? Broken heart, but now I'm in the club. I'm feeling fucked up. Is you fucking with me? Is you fucking with the scrubs? I know. I had to draw that bitch off. Nigga, why you talking? Well, I think that shit's soft. I walk around like I'm a rock star. Double large parked all up in my backyard. Sometimes I can really be fucked up. Ain't nothing much to say, but hey, goodbye. Everybody wanna tell the truth, but lie. I can see these niggas right through my eyes. Fuck love, but I need medicine. All up for myself, cause these niggas are my friends. Bitch, why you mad? You don't care, don't pretend. I'm trying to kill that nigga cause it's all about revenge. I started from a zero, now I'm flipping to 100. All about this money cause I got something from it. Call a nigga up in her mouth, now it's in her stomach. Yeah, I beat a boss, no bodyguards in public. I just wanna chill with my day one. Outside, but it's still about I'm feeling sun. I'm already in my brain.
Yeah! That was sick!
Sometimes I can really be fucked up. Ain't nothing much to say, but hey, goodbye. Everybody wanna tell the truth, but lie. I can see these niggas right through my eyes. Sometimes I can really be fucked up. Ain't nothing much to say, but hey, goodbye. Everybody wanna tell the truth, but lie. I can see these niggas right through my eyes. I don't really wanna know about nothing. Niggas always trying to be the sun. It's always on that fuck shit. So it's fucked up.
My bad, Andy. My bad. That was all me. Oh! I stalled it.
Dude, that was fun.
I know, I fucking stalled. Fuck, I went through all the bushes.
Yeah, dude, I'm fucking straight.
Dude,
Just scratches, man.
I was just wheeling it through bushes. Whoa! Cactus! So many cactus right there.
Nothing much to say, but hey, goodbye. Everybody wanna tell the truth, but lie. I can see these niggas right through my eyes.
God damn! Dude, that is like straight down.
Yeah, I'm like first gear up that like wide open.
Whoa, Austin fell. Let me go make sure he's good. Oh, he hit that big ass rut. You good? Wind knocked out of you? Nothing broke, right? Just wind knocked out?
I got the wind knocked out back.
Fuck, did you really like mob it and just nailed that thing?
Yeah, that's scary.
Oh, that wouldn't have bent your rim. Too soft.
I got it broken? No, dude. Oh, my fucking chest hurts. Yeah, we can head back.
I want to get some jumps.
I want to go to the gym. Yeah, that's what
Who do I trust? Who do I trust? Who do I trust? Who do I
Dude, he's whipping them good. Yeah, whip that thing. I can't fucking whip this thing.
Oh, what are you doing? Hey, I'll see. What are you? How are you doing? Are you going right or straight in that middle of the hole?
I went left and right. I think right's the best option.
See how I'm taking that outer and you see the right in the middle?
Yeah, I started taking that.
Going to the right of it and then carving the left of the lip.
We need to come back and fill that hole in though, dude.
Yeah, so we can just hit it. All right, I'm going. Center deep. God, that was fucking squirrely. I can't whip that thing at all. What?
Will Smith and Martin Lawrence, I'm a bad boy. When I got off my ass and got to the cash and got in my bag, boy. I don't think it's sweet, I stay with the heat even though I'm a sad boy. You better watch the way you breathe around me for the breath be last, boy. I've been drinking red rash, boy. I've been jumping on these birds, McCoy. No one made my rich in nearly 9 months. Overseas, honey skin, bitch, croissants. Break the GTR, I love the crash car. I'm a bad boy, so I got a bad boy.
Alright guys, killer day out there. Super tired. GoPro died halfway through. I need to make sure I charge it for tonight. Fun day though. Everyone's killing it. Especially Austin on that one jump. I need to work on that, but we're actually gonna head out there tomorrow and do some grooming. So hopefully I can hit that a little better. I also want to build some hips too. So that might be our new build spot. We'll see. It's pretty close to home. So anyway, huge thanks for watching. If you didn't make it this far, if you want to comment dirt jumps, just so I know you guys are watching it, that'd be rad. Also, if you guys want to see certain things like truck vlogs, track vlogs, whatever, just let me know. But either way, guys, thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe as always. Thank you.